71 specially altered B-52 bombers stocked with poison killed 12 billion birds. They were then supplanted with avian-like robots that could be used to surveil Americans. Each year, ever more sophisticated and plentiful drones crept into your backyard and reported everything you do to the Avian Security Services. The A.S.S. has spread its tentacles globally. Wake up to the truth.
Birds aren't real. Birds aren't real. Birds aren't real. Birds aren't real.
Government drones, they're inside my head. They're on my phone. They don't know that I'm dead. Flapping, cackling, crapping their trackers. Your stunned disbelief has me calling for crackers.
Birds aren't real. Birds aren't real. Birds aren't real. Birds aren't real.
I'll relax when the truth is known. Do your research. Follow the crumbs. The Audubon or G-Man bombs. Bird watchers or service technicians.
Birds aren't real. 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 But then, who's shitting on my car? That's what I want to know.